Mr. Cedric Pifanio. This time, we are going to select the top 3. Are you ready? The heat is on for our final 3. So for the information of everyone, our judge will give 1 question for our final 3. So we would like to request the audience kung kinsay na ay headphones or headset. Kay medyo wala na prepare ang atong headset. So we have already the headset. And I have already here the result for our final 3. Ladies and gentlemen, our final 3. You are part of the 3. Mutya number. Louder, who's your best? Congratulations, Mutya number 3. Congratulations, Mutya number 3. What can you say to your fans out there that you belong to the top 3?
So, to all those who are supporting me, thank you so much. Your support inspired me to be here and to do my best in this competition. Thank you.
Alright, thank you so much, Mutya number 3. Next we have, you are part of the top 3. Mutya number 4. You got it right. You are part of the final 3. Mutya number 4. And finally, to complete our top 3, please come forward. Mutya number. I can hear you. Who's your best? Sino na may 8? Alright. Please come forward. Mutya number 7. Alright, di tayo sila sa mga Anyways, gagawin na open na number Mutya number 7. Alright, so ladies, you may now take your exit. And for our final 3, please remain standing. So then I have the headset, and the headset will be played with a loud song so that our candidate could hear the answer of her co-candidate. So ang ato ang mga kandidata, tawag na ito headset, patukaran na ito kanta na emergency. Alright, ladies, can you move back? So to answer first the question, of course, katong giuna natong tawag will be the first to answer the question. Alright, so can you hear me? Alright, madungog ko no. Alright, so I think some requested nga i-volume out gamay ang atong microphone kay gusto ko kayo ko no. Do you find it loud sa akong voice? Alright, so I think we got the solution. I'm requesting our candidate who's wearing the firing katong gear nga gitabon silang ulo. I guess they have that. So can we use it for the meantime? Or palungton sa nato siguro sa outer space ang ato ang ubang candidates. Alright, so we got the ear muff. So this is not my kanakuha na. Ako pagaling yung pagbuot. My own decision to have this kind of kanaang mechanics that our ladies will answer one question. This is the decision of our judges and also to our councils. Am I right? Can I have the thumbs up? Alright. Diba sa inyo, mablame na po ko sa crowd. Unya mamarites na punta sa Facebook. Diba? Daghan ba itong kontra? So again, this is just part of our 16th founding anniversary. And thank you so much everyone for being with us, celebrating the birthday of our barangay. So this is not just a celebration of all of the council, but to all of us. Because we united as one, we will grow as one. Alright, ladies, let us test your microphones. I mean, the ear muffs. So kung di madala sa ear muffs, kutsilyo na lang sa iwan sa natugtugkan na itong mga kandidata. Alright, so, madawag gihapon. So I guess, it's not a matter mo po siguro of how kanaan the candidates answer the questions. It's always the matter of how they deliver the questions. Am I right? So let's stick to our kanaan mechanics. So still ladies, should you continue to wear? Alright, so nice suggestion coming from our councils. Bunuto na lang kuno kung kinsay una. I have the idea. Can we request our SK officials nga i-cover na lang ang dunggan sa ato mga kandidata? Ipilo ang ilang mga dunggan para dili jud madungog ang ato ang Q&A. Sige. Alright, and then we will let the other two to take either exit while our SK officials are covering their ears. So let's begin with Mutya number 3. So i-fold siguro ang dugan. Then kindly i-volume o gamay ang, pahinayan ang gamay ang atong microphone. Well, I would like to say if you want, o hinay na kayo ang tiyog, no? Pero madungog pa ba? Alright. Alright, so there is a suggestion. So ang atong mga candidates na ang mubasa sa question, dili na mo mubasa sa question kay ahon, dili ninyo madungog. Alright, so our candidate will directly answer the question without voicing out the question. Just reading in mind. Alright? Then she will directly answer the question. Do you get me? Alright, very good children. Judges, do we have already the question? Alright. So while waiting for the question, we would like to thank our sponsors, especially sa ating mga visitors karong kabiguna. We have from La Petra, Ma'am Ines William Abay-Abay, Joyce Mendez, also praised by Joyce Mendez, Gail Salon, Mr. Rubilio Gray, So are you still okay? Okay pa ba na diha mga audience? Can I say hep hep? Hep hep! Mabu mabu! Mabu mabu! Alright. So na ang question.
I'll be shooting that shot like 2K.